Hey y'all, I was about to get on our detox group page and do a demo of the blueberry smoothie that so many of us love when we're doing the detox, and I decided I would share it with everybody today. I've shared this video before, with this recipe before, and it was a morning, it was just very impromptu. I was in my bathrobe, no makeup, and the video has gone around many places, and it's always a little bit embarrassing. So I've been saying I would get dressed one day and remake the blueberry smoothie video. So since we're getting ready to kick off our 10-day detox on Monday, I'll just kind of give you a brief snippet of some of the things that we're going to be doing in case you want to hop in that group and join the detox with us. If anyone's on here and you can hear me, can you please let me know before I whip up the smoothie for y'all? I usually have one of these every morning. I really like them. And I'll mix it up and, you know, do it a little differently, throw in a few extra ingredients or take something out just to kind of mix it up a little bit. It is one that I love. It does keep you full. It's filled with, you know, superfoods and antioxidants. It's just really good. Excuse my voice today. I've been a little under the weather. So I'm missing a few of the ingredients today that it actually calls for. So I'll tell you what those are, and we'll modify a little bit. But this recipe comes from Dr. Mark Hyman's 10-day detox diet. It's the blood sugar solution. That's the book we follow for this 10-day detox. And this shake is found on page 267 if you have the book. So I'm just going to tell you the ingredients real quick, and then I'm going to throw it together and let you watch how I make it. I've found out through the years that some people just struggle when it comes to smoothies. They just really don't like the taste or the texture. I will say that if you're not using frozen berries, ice is key. So throw that ice in there and, you know, use a NutriBullet or Ninja or something like that to really get it just a really good texture and consistency. Okay, so I do this in just a couple minutes each morning. It does not take very long, but I'm just going to tell you the ingredients real quick. And we're using, you know, organic ingredients here as best we can. Half a cup of frozen blueberries, half cup frozen cranberries, a quarter organic lemon with the rind. The rind has tons of benefits, so don't throw your rinds away. A tablespoon of almond butter, tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, tablespoon of chia seeds, tablespoon of hemp seeds, 2 raw walnuts, 2 raw Brazil nuts, a fourth of an avocado, a half tablespoon of extra virgin coconut butter or coconut oil, a half cup of unsweetened almond or hemp milk, and a half cup of water. So I'll tell you what I don't have today. I don't have the cranberries. I don't have the Brazil nut. I ran out of my pumpkin seeds. But I have the rest. Now the avocado, I like the avocado in there. It makes it smoothie. It makes it like creamy, I guess. But I love to eat avocados. Some people don't. So you really can't taste it in the smoothie. So if you don't like avocados, throw them in your smoothie. I like to save mine and eat them because I really like them. So I'm not putting the avocado in here either. So okay, let me show you how we're going to do this. I hope you can hear me. I'm going to get started. I like to use a NutriBullet. I got a new one for Mother's Day because I have used mine. I've worn it completely out. So those who know me know that I never measure anything. I get it from my mama. We just take a little bit of this and a little bit of that. But I try to be a little more specific for y'all. Okay, so we're going with a half a cup of blueberries, except I don't have cranberries, so I'm going to do a whole cup of blueberries or something close. I'm going to measure for y'all. And I'm using organic. Blueberries have thin skin, so anything thin skin, you don't want to, you know, have anything that's got pesticides on it. All right. I am going to throw a strawberry in there since I don't have any cranberries. The fruits we use on this detox are mostly your berries and kiwi. So I'm just going to toss the strawberry over in there. See where I put my knife and a spoon for my lemon. 1 second. I could never have a cooking show because I'm too unorganized. But I'm going to take my lemon and You know, you can put as much or as little lemon as you like. It calls for 1/4 of a lemon. These are some huge lemons that I have, and I'm just going to slice it, toss it in. I love lemon, I love the rind. I'll even take the rind and zest it and put that in the smoothies. That's really good, or on salad, salad dressing, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna use almond butter. I prefer almond butter to peanut butter. It actually calls for almond butter. Peanut butter seems to increase inflammation in the body more than almond butter. So you want, what did I say, a tablespoon of almond butter. I guess that's a tablespoon. Drop that over in there. You can use coconut butter or coconut oil. So I have that here. Some good healthy fats. Help keep you full. They help make it really smooth. Nice creamy texture. The chia seeds. So if you have problems with digesting things, you may want to soak your seeds overnight in the fridge. Your pumpkin seeds, your hemp, your flax, your chia. These are finely ground, cold milled, so I don't have to soak those. And let's see, again, it calls for a tablespoon of the chia seeds. Just gonna scoop that out. Same thing with hemp seeds. These are a great source of omegas, a great source of protein. These are organic hemp seeds. It's 10 grams of protein, then it's your omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, which is great for lots of stuff, including brain health. So I'll drop that in there. Walnuts, let's see. How many walnuts? 2 raw walnuts. I'm just gonna toss some, I got some pieces here, so I'm just gonna toss a little bit of that in there. Your nuts are another great source of your good healthy fats, and they help keep you full. You just don't want to overdo it. Brazil nuts are great. They have a ton of selenium in them, and you only need 2. I find they're hard to find, so when I find some at the grocery store, I grab them, because Brazil nuts are not the easiest thing to find around here for some reason. And then the avocado, if I hadn't already eaten an avocado, I would toss some of that in there, but I have. So we're gonna go with 1/2 cup of almond milk. You can use hemp, you can use almond, unsweetened, so it's not sweet. Pour it over all in this glass. And then it calls for 1/2 cup of water. I don't want to have to go find my water. My Berkey is on the other side of the kitchen. Berkey is a good water filter, by the way. So I'm just going to do another 1/2 cup of almond milk. All right. So that's pretty much it. And you can change it up. You can do all sorts of different things to it. I'm going to just pop the top, shake it a little bit. See if I can let you see this here. I'm setting it right down inside the NutriBullet. And then you just press it down. That's it. It's done. It's delicious. It's creamy. You know, after the detox, if you have your favorite, you know, protein meal replacement type powder you like to put in there, you can do that. You can throw egg whites in. You can do all sorts of stuff to it. But for now, we're just keeping it simple. I like to drink it through a straw because the chia seeds and the blueberries will get all in your teeth. But this is really good. So if you're somebody that doesn't love smoothies, make sure you're using frozen berries or ice. Blend it up in some sort of good blender. It's delicious. So that's the blueberry smoothie recipe. This is just a sneak peek of some things we'll be doing on our 10-day detox. If you're interested, please let me know. Y'all be well.